Hi, everybody, and welcome back to Level English, your daily dose of English immersion.
The room is small, but the bed is comfortable. The desk is new, and I sleep here on my bed. I study in my room, so I keep my books there. There is my desk. And there is my bed. There are my books. I have many books. I have a big bed. And I have a nice view. So I like my room. I like the color of the wall. And I love the color of the bed.
What color is your bed?
My bed is white.
And what color is your room?
My room is blue.
What color is your desk?
My desk is white.
When do you study?
I study in the evening.
And when do you read?
I read before going to sleep.
Then, when do you sleep?
I sleep at 11 p.m.
Where is your bed?
My bed is next to the wall.
And where is your desk?
My desk is near the window.
Then, where do you relax in your room?
I relax on my bed. The room isn't big,
but the room is cozy.
The desk isn't big,
but the desk is great. Is the room quiet?
the room isn't noisy.
Do you have a TV?
I don't have a TV. Because I don't like TV.
I don't like TV too.
So, I don't want to change anything.
I don't think any changes are necessary either.
Now it's your turn to practice. So let's put what you've learned into action right away. Try to write 3 phrases that you learned in the comments. Don't worry about perfection. The goal is to practice. Thanks for watching and see you soon.